Reduce, reuse, and recycle, that's how we protect our planet. But let's be honest, recycling can be confusing. Some things look recyclables, but they're not. Today we'll show you 10 surprising items you should not put in the recycling bin, plus what to do with them instead. Styrofoam. Styrofoam is super light and used in packing, cups, and food containers, but it's hard to recycle because it's full of air and absorbs dirt and oil. Most recycling centres don't take it. What to do? Reuse packing peanuts and try to avoid styrofoam food containers. Toothpaste tubes. Toothpaste tubes are made with layers of different materials. That keeps the paste fresh, but makes them hard to recycle. What to do? Look for brands that use recyclable tubes made of HDPE plastic. Kids' toys. Many toys are made of tough plastic or mixed materials like metal and wires. These are hard to break down or recycle. What to do? Donate, reuse, or upcycle old toys instead of tossing them out. Pyrex glass. Pyrex is heat-resistant glass used in baking dishes. It doesn't melt like normal glass, so it can't be recycled the same way. What to do? If it's broken, wrap it carefully and throw it in the trash. Paper receipts. Store receipts are printed on paper with chemicals like BPA. They can't be recycled or composted. What to do? Say no thanks to receipts, or ask for a digital one. Soft plastic bags. Grocery bags, bread bags, and snack wrappers are too thin for most recycling machines. They can even break the equipment. What to do? Some grocery stores collect them for special recycling programs. Juice boxes and milk cartons. They look like paper, but also have plastic and aluminum layers. Only a few recycling centres can process them. What to do? Check if your local centre accepts them. If not, leave them out. Clothes hangers. Plastic hangers mix materials, wooden ones are treated, and wire ones tangle in machines. None are good for your recycling bin. What to do? Donate unwanted hangers to thrift stores, or reuse them. Mirrors. Mirrors have a reflective coating that makes them unrecyclable. They're also made with heat-treated glass like Pyrex. What to do? Give away unbroken mirrors, or throw broken ones in the trash carefully. Pizza boxes. Pizza boxes are made of paper, but the grease and food make them hard to recycle. What to do? If the top is clean, tear it off and recycle that part. Throw the greasy bottom away. Even if you can't recycle everything, you can still reduce and reuse. Buy less, choose reusable items, and donate when you can. Small changes make a big difference for our planet. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart tips like this.